How to find bio in YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find bio in YouTube Shorts. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step here is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is you can head over to the Shorts section. It's right here. Tap on Shorts. After you're on your Shorts, what you'll need to then do is tap on the three dots on the top right. After you tap on the three dots on the top right, you can then find an option that says Description. Tap on Description. After you tap on Description, you'll then get your description of your short. So this is the title of the short, and if you tap on the more button here, you'll get the description for the short as well. And that is basically how you find bio in a YouTube short. So it's the same for other shorts as well, so you can do that. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.